Hey, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. What we're doing here today is shipping more plants. I have these two pumpkin plants set in this styrofoam cooler, and I actually have them packed around where they cannot move. The two containers are actually duct taped together. If you link back to my other video, you'll see the containers that they're in. That's my video on how to ship plants. I'll link that up. Hey, don't forget to turn on your notifications and subscribe to my channel. How to ship plants. We're shipping two plants to a guy in New York. It's like June 2nd, June 3rd today, something like that. And it's getting late time to plant. So here you go. We'll put the cooler top on. Got holes poked in it so it can breathe. I will duct tape the lid on. As you can see, these paint sticks do not allow the plant in jars to move. They can't move sideways. I've actually taken the cooler, turned it completely upside down. The plants are undisturbed. Put this in here, packed it in an oversized box, stuffed with papers, some instructions from WorldwideGiantGrowers.com on how to take care of the plants. This all shipped, believe it or not, for $8.30. So there you go, there you have it, how to ship plants. It's easy. Just got to think outside of the box. Join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, where you too can think outside of the box. Shipping plants to New York, from Michigan to New York. We'll talk to you soon, man. Get your seeds at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Best seeds in the world for big orange pumpkins, big tomatoes, long gourds, squash, and more. Talk to you soon, man. Keep them growing.